On the ground floor, we're going to design underfloor heating. To do that, first we have to prepare the construction data about underfloor radiators. We have two levels of this data. First, global data, default data for all the radiator types, and then we can have different construction types that will inherit some of data from global data, but some parameters may be specified individually. This solution, these two levels of entering construction data, ensures on one hand flexibility, and on the other hand it saves a lot of time, as you don't have to enter repeating data many times. So let's go to global data, to the tab underfloor radiators. First we have to select the system. Let's select just the first one, and then the pipes that we are going to use. Underneath we've got the table of the available diameters and spacing. This pipe has got just one diameter, so we can only select spacing. As you see, by default, program won't select the smallest spacing of 5 centimeters, just from 10 to 30. If you wish also to make the smallest one available, you can just change it, and now it will be also available. If you come back to the default value, it won't be available. The program will start selecting from the smallest available, now 10 centimeters. Underneath, you can specify the data about the different layers of the underfloor radiators. As you see, majority of them have got some default data that you may leave or change. What you have to enter definitely is the heat resistance of the ceiling. And this data is global data, default data. And now we can go to the second level. We can prepare many construction types. So if we pull down this field, the catalog of constructions of underfloor radiators will open. And now with the button with arrow and plus, we can add a new element. And let's say that in our example we'll have two construction types that will have all data the same except for floor covering. First one will be covered with marble. So let's give it the symbol marble. And now let's add another one. And this one will be covered with ceramic tiles. So the symbol may be, for example, ceramic. And now we can have many radiators, many heating fields in our building of one of these two types, marble or ceramic. And from this available construction types, we have to define which one will be default. So let's say that by default, we would use the ceramic construction. So I have selected that on the list, and now I have to click the button select. So as you see, now the default symbol of the construction is ceramic. In that way, we have prepared the construction data for underfloor heating.